Hi guys and welcome back to Guide Nation. In today's video, I will show you how to export from TOME AI to PowerPoint. While TOME AI doesn't directly export to PowerPoint, that is .ppt format, there is a workaround that lets you get the presentation into PowerPoint for further editing. And here's how you can do that. The first step is export your TOME presentation as PDF. Simply open any of the presentations that you're working on. For example, I just opened this one. Now, I will have to click on this three-dotted icon at the top right corner and click on Export to PDF. Make sure you have the TOME Pro version so you can export this presentation as PDF. And if you don't have that, click on Get TOME Pro, choose a plan, do the payment and export this presentation as PDF. Now, after exporting this presentation as PDF, what you'll have to do is import the PDF into PowerPoint. So simply open PowerPoint on your PC. For example, I'm opening this presentation on PowerPoint. Now at default, you'll be on your home page. Here you'll have to click on Insert option at the top left corner and click on Pictures. After you click on Pictures, you will see a window opening on your screen. Here you'll have to simply select the PDF that you just exported from TOME AI and you can choose to insert all slides at once or browse and select specific slides. You'll have to keep in mind that exporting to PDF won't transfer editable elements like text boxes and animations from TOME. You'll essentially be inserting images into your PowerPoint slides. You might need to adjust the layout and formatting on the slides once they are into PowerPoint. So this was a workaround on how to export from TOME AI to PowerPoint. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe and hit that notification bell. And I'll see you in the next video.